Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best cookware set you can buy right now. I need this list based on my personal opinion in average features. Analyze them based on performance, feature and price. I could use this opinion for every type of consumer. So, is looking for an affordable cookware set for easy cooking. If you are more information and update pricing and the product mentioned should be take the link in this description below. Okay, so let's start.
Number 5. Cook & Home NC 00358. This cookware set features a non-stick real ceramic coating that's PTEF free, cadmium free, PFOA free. This particular cookware utilizes solid gold aluminum plus an anti-slip covering on each handle that's comfortable to keep. The flavors eco-friendly outside and lotion inside of the pans plus ports are an ideal center point for any kitchen. Cook & Home kitchenware made of thick gauge aluminum provides extremely armed conductive without the hot spot in bottom part. Anti-slip coating upon gel with providing a smooth feeling when touch handle. Ensure it is comfy and stay awesome during cooking. Glass lid implies that you are able to examine on your food since it cooks without having lifting plus releasing moisture plus heat. Its feature: 1 and 2 quart saucepan, 3 quarts casserole, 5 quarts Dutch oven with lid, and 8 and 9.0 fry pans. Number 4. Cuisinart MCP 7 and Multiclad Pro. It is undoubtedly one of the most sophisticated pieces of cookware that you can find in the market. This cookware set features solid stainless steel handles that stay cool for you to safely remove the pan from stovetop. This cookware set is dishware safe. It is suitable to utilize with induction cooktops. These well-made accessories are stylish as it is made with a modern-looking design and illuminated finish. When it comes to cleaning, the set has a smooth surface that will be easy to clean. Comes with a lifetime warranty against any manufacturer defect. Features: 1.2 quarts and 3 quarts saucepans with covers, 8 quarts stock pots with covers, and 10-inch skillet.
Number 3.
Rachel Ray Cooking and Non-Stick. Rachel Ray Cooking Hard Enamel Non-Stick 12-piece cookware set is featured with 5 different colors and 12 multiple items. This high-end classic cooking set has a perfect blend of beauty and style. 12 different pieces will be able to do a variety of tasks that you need at a different time for a different occasion. The art, style and beautiful color will add extra height to your kitchen. Beautifully engineered with a hard enamel partial exterior combined with aluminum construction ensure fast and even heating along with durability. All items are easy to use and easy to wash that makes it more convenient for daily use. Its feature: 1 quarts and 3 quarts saucepans with lids, 3 quarts stock pot with lids, 8.5-inch and 10-inch frying pan, 3 quarts sweet pan with lid, slotted turn and spoon. Number 2. Tefal E765SC Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick. This is hard anodized exterior cookware which is also dishware safe, combined with its techno-resist anti-RPS. It is claimed to have long-lasting durability due to its strongness and up resistance. It also distributes heat evenly for better cooking performance. The interior of the pans have a thermal spot to indicate it when the cooking surface is sufficiently heated up. The interior is also metal tensile safe with its Prometal Pro non-stick coating. The lid are made of glass and the handles are silicone and riveted to the pieces. It is oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The pots and pans are suitable for all type of stoves except induction. Its feature: 8 inches fry pan, 10 inches fry pan, 1 quart saucepan with lid, 2 quart saucepan with lid, 3 quart saucepan with lid, 5 quarts Dutch oven with lid, solid spoon and slotted spatula. Number 1. Amazon Basics 8 pieces non-stick cookware set. If you're just looking for some affordable pots and pans that will do their job, then you should consider the Amazon Basics non-stick set. That's more than enough cookware for most meals, especially if you do not spend a lot of your time cooking. You can get your food cooked in very less times as it is made up to aluminum body. It is non-stick coating and BPA free. Also, the handle will feel cool during cooking and it is equipped with vented glass lid to cook properly. You can even cook rice and keeping the glass lid on. You can cook food with this set using gas, electricity or even glass top tops, but you cannot use induction. Its feature: 8 inches fry pan, 10 inches fry pan, 1.5 quart saucepan with lid, 2 quart saucepan with lid and 3 quarts casserole pan with lid.